live from the University of Asia and the Pacific. Welcome to the opening ceremony of the International Model United Nations Philippines 2022.
I'm always inspired to be with young and aspiring minds like you, especially in forums like this, where real human issues are discussed and resolutions are brought to the table here with you and together with you. I see a lot of possibilities and hope in the future.
I got blood on my hands. Do you understand? I'm a wanted man.
My 10th and final point. With great opportunity comes great responsibility, both at the national and global level.
When we talk about the United Nations, we often say that we know that the main purpose is to preserve peace and security. That is why it was created.
This is why the UN General Assembly, with its 193 member states, is also the right place to talk to as many colleagues as possible from all parts of the world, for us diplomats, to talk about concerns, about needs, about hopes, about plans. It's the right place to forge alliances, to solve common problems that are too big for any of us to tackle ourselves.
IMUN Philippines 2022! IMUN Philippines 2022!
Every day, representatives of the international community interact, dialogue, and cooperate within the various bodies that make up the United Nations system to find collective solutions to global issues.
If we want to live in solidarity with one another, which I believe that's what the United Nations is all about, if we want that solidarity, then all of us must live within the truth.